Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch has power and the phone is ready. This prevents interruptions. Open the manufacturer app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location so the app can discover devices. On the watch, choose language and select pair or start. The watch broadcasts a pairing code. Once done, look for the watch name inside the app and tap it. This initiates the secure exchange. Make sure you accept any permission prompts on the phone to continue. Once the phone and watch see each other, you'll usually see a numeric code. You must confirm it matches on both devices for security. After confirming, the app will request permissions, grant notifications, location, and background refresh so data syncs reliably. Then choose what to sync: watch faces, steps, heart rate, or app alerts. Once these settings are selected, the app uploads preferences and the watch downloads them. This is why a stable Wi-Fi or data connection helps complete the setup faster. You finish by letting the final sync complete and then test notifications, calls, and health metrics to confirm full functionality. If something fails, restart both the phone and the watch first. This clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. Make sure no other device is paired with the watch and retry pairing. If problems persist, reset the watch's network settings or perform a factory reset as a last resort. This clears corrupted settings that block pairing. One key tip: toggling phone Bluetooth off and on often resolves stubborn discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.